Hi guys, it's Machaela. So today I'm going to go ahead and show you this little pumpkin inspired eye look using the Too Faced Salted Caramel eyeshadow palette. Stay tuned towards the end because if you do not have this particular eyeshadow palette on hand, I am going to go ahead and show you some other options using some other potential palettes you might have in your collection. So if you want to see how I got this very pumpkin-y, like pumpkin patchy, I've seen a lot of pumpkin spice videos. And if you would like some pumpkin spice inspired videos, let me know. But this is like, I'm thinking of going to the pumpkin patch, taking the kids out, the greenery of the stem, just kind of the fall feel of actually being out in the pumpkin patch and not so much the coffee. So that's kind of what this look was inspired by. So with that, just if you'd like to see how I got this look here, keep on watching. Alright, so my eyes are already primed and set. I just used this shade here called Ooey Gooey, and then I'm gonna go ahead and start with this shade right here called Soft and Chewy, and that's gonna go ahead and go all over my eyelid. Please enjoy my 2-year-old singing in the background as I blend this out. Taking a Luxie 205 brush, I'm going to take that same shade and just blend it into my crease. And then taking this one is a Luxie 250 brush, I'm going to take that shade I set with and I'm just soften that transition shade. Now going in with the Urban Decay single shadow and the shade Space Cowboy, I'm just going to take a little bit on my finger here and I'm just going to put that all over my lid just to add some sparkle. You could totally skip this step if you like a nice matte look. Next, I'm just going to take my Colourpop liquid eyeliner. When I think of pumpkin, I also think of a green stem, and I'm just gonna, this one's in the shade The Hills, and I'm just gonna lightly line my waterline. And going back in with the shade Soft and Chewy, I'm going to go ahead and just buff that into my lower lash line. I'm going to put on mascara, finish the other eye, and I will be right back. So in case I did not record the last part, I went in with my Ace Beauté lip liner in the shade Be Peachy, and in my Urban Decay Vice lipstick in the shade Nude. Yes, my kids are in the background, they are talking, they are playing. If you are a mom, give this video a thumbs up so you know exactly what I'm talking about. It's great. I love being a mom. Sometimes it makes doing things like this a little bit difficult, but it is worth every minute because at the end of the day, especially my 2-year-old, she really loves doing this stuff with me. Anyway, here is the final look. In case you do not have this eyeshadow palette right here, I did come up with some options that you can get a similar look. Starting off with the Dose of Color Sassy Sienna's palette, what I would do is I would just take this shade here, place it all over the lid in the crease, and then take any kind of maybe single shadow, glittery shadow, something a little more sheer with a lid topper and place it on the topper. And then again, just go ahead and using your whatever green eyeliner you have on hand. You can also skip that step. I just personally like it when I'm thinking about like a pumpkin and a pumpkin patch in fall. It's just kind of what comes to mind. Another more affordable option is if you have the Colourpop Sol palette. I would go in with this shade right here, and then I would top it off with this shade right here, and then just going in just like normal, you know, this on the lid and in the crease, and then this just to add a little bit of shimmer. Here, I'll go ahead and put that a little bit closer to you. So yeah, this shade followed by this shade. Last up that I have is, my baby is right here, but the Urban Decay Born to Run. I know this is a popular eyeshadow palette. What I would do is I would go in with the shade Baja, and again with your shimmery single shadow, something a little bit more sheer, and again just same concept all over the lid, and then buffing into the crease, and then with this as a topper. You could also go ahead and put like one of these 3 shades on the lid. Personally, I think that's a little too pigmented when I'm just kind of wanting a wash of color with a wash of glitter. So with that, and then if you wanted to add in a nice little gold inner corner highlight, I ended up doing that with this shade here. Again, totally optional. I just felt like the look needed a little something extra. So with that, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you enjoyed my kids in the background, and I will see you in the next video. God bless, and bye guys.